Hi dear students, yesterday we have studied, in last video we have studied how to find out the values of trigonometric functions by using Pythagoras theorem or by using quadratic equations. The factorization method is there. In that quadratic equation also, if factorization is not possible, then we can have the formula method, that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon twice a. इतक्या डेप्थ मध्ये आपल्याला जायचं नाही आहे, कारण हा बेसिकचा पार्ट आपण घेतोय. बिकॉज बेसिक पार्ट आता आपल्याला समजला की तुम्ही या बेसिक वरती जे काय येते ते तुम्ही त्या बुक मध्ये चेक करायचं. जे 11th स्टँडर्डचे बुक्स आता ऑलरेडी आहेत. दिस इज द सेकंड इयर, न्यू सिलेबस स्टार्ट. So now we have studied, yesterday we have studied trigonometric function in different quadrants, correct? In different quadrants. Simil A, S, T, C, the sign convention and all. Okay. Now today, see, if you want to find out sine of 75 degree, cos of 105 degree, then how will you find out this 75 degree, 105 degree, 15 degree, sine 15 degree, tan 15 degree, whatever maybe it is. Clear? Now how will you find out this? Now you have to find these, but these are not standard angles. Which standard angles we know? 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, correct? 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, 360 degree. Can we use these both 30 degree and 45 degree? Can we use these both? Can we use this? Can we use this? Can we use this? Yeah, we can use these all, but these are nothing but the compound angles. See, compound means what? Only basic I will tell you, because there are the theorems how to find out the sum or difference formulae of the quadratic equation. But I will tell you, जसं आपण म्हणतो वरवरचं आपल्याला बघायचं, we will think only forward. Okay. आता मग वरवरचं बघायचं आहे तर मग काय करायचं, तर कंपाऊंड अँगल्स. आणि कंपाऊंड अँगल्स म्हणजेच काय? ते कंपाऊंड अँगल्स आर द सम ऑर डिफरन्स ऑफ ए गिवन अँगल्स. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, साइन ऑफ 75 डिग्री इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड आउट, देन यू हैव टू add this 45 degree plus 30 degree. Then you have to know the sine of A plus B. So see, there are theorems to show that, to prove that sine of A plus B is equal to sine of A minus B is equal to sine of, sorry, cos of A plus B is equal to cos of A minus B is equal to tan of A plus B is equal to and tan of A minus B is equal to. See, sin A plus B is nothing but, directly you can think only कि बाबा this is the formula, sin A cos B. असा नाही म्हणू शकत sin A plus sin B, never. sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Similarly, we can write down here sin of A cos B, minus sign is there, that's why minus cos A sin B. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. First one, sin A plus B is nothing but sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Alternate A B again. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Here in this, both cos A cos B the positive sign is there in between these two angles A and B, then you have to write there minus cos of, sorry, sin of A, sin B. Sin A, sin B. If negative sign is between two angles A and B, then cos A, cos B plus sin A, sin B. Now tan A plus B, tan A plus tan B. तुम्ही म्हणाल सर tan A plus tan B होत नाही, अजूनही आहे त्याला 1 minus tan A into tan B. Again tan A minus B, tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A into tan B. See, हे आलं कशावरून tan A plus B. We know that sin upon cos, मग sin A plus B upon cos A plus B is equal to tan A plus B होईल. मग sin A plus B कोण आहे बघा, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B upon cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. इथं 1 हवाय ना, then dividing third way cos A cos B. This is the proof for tan A plus B. Only this is, I will give you this one. Sin A cos B याने डिवाइड करायचं आहे, cos A cos B plus cos A sin B upon cos A cos B whole divided by cos A cos B upon cos A cos B minus sin A sin B upon cos A cos B. Now see, sin A upon cos A, tan A, cos B get cancelled here, cos A cancel, sin B upon cos B, tan B, tan A plus tan B upon cos A cos B cancel, 1 minus sin A upon cos A, tan A into sin B upon cos B, tan B. Tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B is the perfect answer for this sin A plus B upon cos A plus B, that is tan A plus B. This is nothing but tan A plus B. Similarly minus, this will be minus, this will be again this plus, this will be minus. या पद्धतीने इथे हे आन्सर्स आहेत, म्हणजे एकच मी प्रूफ देतोय फक्त. You have to know this. Now can we find out sin 75 degree? See, sin of 75 degree is equal sin 45 degree plus 30 degree. Is this clear? If A and B are two any angles, then sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A minus B is nothing but sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Only plus and minus sign is that. Okay. If sin A plus B, then you have to put plus sign in between these sin cos sign. Here AB. Correct. Sin A minus B, minus is there, then minus again sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. But in this cos A plus B, if positive sign in between A and B, then in that two terms there is negative sign. That means cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A minus B is equal to plus sign changes, minus sign changes to plus. Here cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Okay, got it? Then tan A plus B is nothing but tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B. And what about tan A minus B? Tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. लर्न करा, बरोबर. बाय हार्ट करायची गरज नाही. जर तुम्ही लक्षात ठेवले ह्या पद्धतीने, अशा पद्धतीने असतं असं, then you can definitely recall it. Then see, sin 75 is nothing but we can write down in the form of sin A plus B. Consider A is equal to 45 and B is equal to 30. Then sin 45 plus 30 is equal to sin A means 45 degree, cos B 30 degree plus cos A into sin B. Sin 45 is nothing but 1 by root 2 into cos 30 is nothing but root 3 by 2 plus cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2 and sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. That means here both the denominators of these terms are equal. That means we have to write down here 2 root 2 into root 3 plus 1. In the numerator there is a root 3 plus 1 upon this, means sin 75 degree is equal to root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2 is the final answer. Okay, but you have to know that sin 75 we can write in the form of cos na. How will you write sin in the form of cos? In the last video we had seen actually we have studied how to write sin in the form of 20 forms. 20 formulas are there. How to write cos in the 20 formulas. Okay, I think Ishwari made that all things very nicely. 75 sin 75 degree, that is, see here cos of 90 minus 75 degree. Cos 90 minus 75 means sin 75 here. Then here cos 90 minus 75, that is cos of 15 degree. Can we prove this by using this formula? Cos of 15 degrees is equal to cos of 45 degree minus 30 degree, and this is nothing but 15 degree. Cos A cos B plus minus, whenever minus is there you have to write down here plus sin A sin B, cos 45 1 by root 2 cos 30 root 3 by 2 plus sin 45 1 by root 2 and sin 30 1 by 2, root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 3. That means cos 15 degree is equal to sin 75 degree is the correct answer. We can see, is that correct? The complementary angles are exactly equal. That means sin 75 degree is equal to cos 15 degree. These both are correct here. Now, what about then cos 75? What about cos 75? Actually, cos 75 is different than sin 75. Why? Because the angles are same, but trigonometric function is different here. So we can find out by using this cos of 75 degree, which is equal to cos of 75 degree 45 degree plus 30 degree. Then cos 45 cos 30 minus, that's why this will be plus, sin 45 degree into sin 30 degree. Here cos A minus B is nothing but cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. That's why cos 45 degree plus 30 degree is nothing but cos 45 cos 30 minus sin 45 sin 30. If minus is there, then cos of 45 sin 30 plus sin 45 sin 30. Values of this into root 3 by 2 plus cos 75, extremely sorry, 75, that means 45 plus 30, then this will be minus. Firstly I told that, but think that there is a minus sign. No, there is a plus sign here. Then this will be minus, this will be again minus 1 by root 2 into 1 by 2 root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Clearly, if sin 75 degree is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2, then cos of 75 degree, if addition is there, definitely there is a negative sign, root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2. Similarly, cos of 15 degree is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Then what about sine 15 degree? Sine 15 degree may be this like this. Why? Because sine A minus B na, sine of 45 degree minus 30 degree, that means sine A cos B minus cos A sin B, that means 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 minus 1 by root 2 into 1 by 2, and this will be root 3 minus 1 by 2, means sine 15 and cos 75 is both are equal. Why? Because by using the complementary angles we can prove this. That means here sine of 15 degree is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. These are the compound angles, we can say. In compound angles, if A and B are the two angles, then cos A minus B, cos A plus B, sin A minus B, sin A plus B, tan A plus B, tan A minus B are the what? Compound angles, right? Now tan 45 or tan 75 degree. What about tan 75? Means tan of 45 degree plus 30 degree, which is equal to tan A plus tan B whole divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Tan 45 is nothing but 1 by root 2 plus tan 30, yeah, 1 by tan 45 1 by root 2 asto ka? Nahi, correct. Then this is only 1. Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 whole divided by 1 minus tan. What about tan 45? 1 into 1 by root 3. See, cross multiplication, root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 minus 1. Here the root 3, here root 3, root 3, root 3 get cancelled. Means root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 minus 1. If you simplify this, means if you take the conjugate pair of this, conjugate pair in 9th standard in a real numbers chapter, I think second chapter, real number, there was the conjugate pairs. Means if minus is there, then you have to take plus. Okay, for the rationalization, the denominator rationalize करायचे तर definitely हा root 3 plus 1 bracket square will. Why? Because we have to multiply it by what? Root 3 plus 1. Root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1. Root 3 is a bracket square minus 1 square. Then root 3 plus 1 into root 3 plus 1. Root 3 plus 1 bracket square. This is nothing but first 3 plus 2 root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 is a square 3 minus 1. That is again 4 plus 2 root 2 upon 2, which is nothing but tan 75 degree is equal to root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1, root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 minus 1, or which is equal to, take out 2 common here, 2 plus root 2 upon 2, 2 get cancelled, 2 plus root 2 is the final answer. Otherwise you can take out again root 2 common in bracket, root 2 plus 1, root 2 in bracket, root 2 plus 1, or 2 plus root 2 is the final answer here. Clear? This is nothing but tan 75. Tan 45 is nothing but 2 minus root 2, because root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. Similarly here you can write down. Yes, got it? About this, why we have to need these compound angles to find out the another angles, which is not a standard angles, but we can find out by using standard angles, addition or subtraction, that is. And now there are the multiple angles, and trigonometric functions of allied angles are there, multiple angles are there, factorization formulas are there. Just keeping in your mind, these are the compound angles in which the sum and the difference is involved between the two angles. Okay, then see what will happen to this. What will happen to this when multiple angles. We will think of multiple angles. Multiple angles. Multiple angles means half angle, double angle, triple angle. Okay. Half means 1 by theta by 2. Half angle, double angle, and triple angle. Now sin A plus B. Here let A is equal to theta and B is equal to theta. Then what will happen to this? Okay. Sin theta plus theta will be here. Sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A into sin B. Then if you substitute here A is equal to theta and B is equal to theta, then you will definitely get sin 2 theta. Why? Because theta plus theta, clearly sin 2 theta, correct? Now sin theta into cos theta plus cos theta into sin theta, and this is nothing but sin 2 theta, and this is nothing but sin cos. How many times? 2 times of sin theta into cos theta. This is the final. What about cos of theta plus theta? See, cos of theta plus theta. Cos theta minus sin theta. Cos theta minus sin theta into sin theta. This is nothing but cos square theta minus sin square theta. This is nothing but cos 2 theta. But see, what will happen to this? Cos of 2 theta is equal to cos square theta means 1 minus sin square theta minus sin square theta is there. 1 minus 2 times of sin square theta. Now cos 2 theta is equal to cos 2 theta 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta as it is. Sin square theta, you know this. 1 minus again cos square theta. More basic formula is being formed there. That things we can use here. Plus cos square theta. Now cos square plus cos square, 2 cos square theta minus 1 means cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. See, we got many formulas here. See which formulas are that? I can write down here sin of A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Second one, sin A minus B, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Third one, cos of A plus B, which is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Fourth, cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Fifth, tan of A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. Tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A into tan B. By this, see how to use these formulas for the further means multiple angles. That means 2 theta, 3 theta. Similarly here we have this 2 theta, multiple angles. Okay, now the first one is sin of 2 theta is equal to, we got here 2 sin theta cos theta. Is that clear? Again second one cos theta, cos 2 theta is equal to perfectly. First one is the cos square theta minus sin square theta. What about again cos 2 theta here? Cos 2 theta is nothing but 2 cos square theta minus 1. Cos 2 theta is nothing but 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Now fifth one, what about tan 2 theta? Tan 2 theta, tan of theta plus theta, tan a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a into tan b. Then what about this tan theta plus tan theta is nothing but 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan into tan, that is tan square, that is 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. This is nothing but tan 2 theta. Tan 2 theta. Tan 2 theta is nothing but 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. This is the double angle किंवा आपण काय म्हणतो मल्टिपल angles which are double. Tan 2 theta. Clear? The triple angle we have to find. Again, sine of 3 theta. We can write down here sine of 2 theta plus theta. Again, this is the sum. Compound angles. By using these compound angles, we can make it a multiple angle. Sine of 2 theta into cos theta. Sin theta in the form of sin theta we have to find. That means you have to convert that every cos in the form of sine by using basic formulas. That means sin 2 theta into cos theta plus cos 2 theta into sin theta. Clear? Sin 2 theta is nothing but 2 sin theta into cos theta. Correct? Into as it is cos theta plus हा इथं आहे तसा घेतला आणि हा इथं आला हा. करेक्ट? Then cos 2 theta in the form of sin theta. Cos 2 theta in the form of 2 1 minus 2 sin square theta into what? Sin theta. हा इकडे आला आणि as it is. Now see, so 2 sin theta because we want in the form of sin. Keep as it is 2 sin theta. Cos theta into cos theta, this will be cos square theta plus 1 into sin theta minus 2 into sin square into sin 2 sin cube theta. Now 2 sin theta into cos square means 1 minus sin square theta plus sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta. 2 sin theta into 2 sin theta minus 2 sin theta into sin square theta 2 sin cube theta plus sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta. 2 sin theta plus sin theta 3 sin theta. 3 sin theta minus 2 to 4 minus 4 sin cube theta. That means sin 3 theta is nothing but 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Clear? Sin 3 theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. This is your final answer for sin 3 theta. Means triple angles. Okay, double angles. इथं होता multiple angles मधला. पहिला आला sin of 3 theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Second cos 3 theta is equal to cos 3 theta we have to write down here. And the answer will be in the form of only cos. Okay, answer will be in the form of cos only. Cosच्या फॉर्म मध्ये राइट डाउन करूयात आपण. ओके, सी cos of 3 theta. ऍक्च्युली ज्यावेळी मी एक्झाम्पल्स घेत असतो असे दिल्यानंतर मी तुम्हाला करायला सांगतो हा sin 3 theta, cos 3 theta, tan 3 theta. बट in this video lecture we can take here. I will take this cos 3 theta in the form of cos 2 theta plus theta, and this is nothing but cos A cos B cos 2 theta into cos minus sin 2 theta into sin theta. This is by the formula cos A plus B. Okay. Now cos 2 theta in the form of cos theta, 2 cos square theta minus 1, 2 cos square theta minus 1 into cos theta, minus sin 2 theta 2 sin theta into cos theta into again sin theta. Now see, 2 cos square theta into cos theta, 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta, minus 2 times of sin into sin, sin square theta, 2 times of sin square theta into cos theta, sin into sin, that is sin square. Sin square we can convert in the form of cos theta, correct? Minus 2 times of, in bracket, 1 minus cos square theta into what? Cos theta. 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta minus 2 cos theta into 1, 2 cos theta, minus into minus getting plus 2 cos theta into cos square theta, 2 cos cube theta. This is equal to 2 cos cube plus 2 cos cube, 4 cos cube theta minus cos theta minus 2 theta, I mean minus 3 cos theta. That means cos 3 theta is nothing but 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. We have to give the reason here in this step. Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta, and here cos 2 theta is equal to, we have to convert this sin 2 theta in the form of this, sin 2 theta in the form of this. They multiply this, then multiply to this here, and we can find out. Then see, cos 3 theta is nothing but 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. And third one, tan 3 theta is equal to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. But हे कसं काढणार? Then you have to find out this. Theta, tan 3 theta is equal to tan of 2 theta plus theta, tan A plus B, tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. Actually, you have to practice in the home how to find out the multiple angles. I had given you this all, but you have to practice your. Okay. Then see, tan 2 theta is nothing but 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta plus tan theta is nothing but tan theta upon 1. Nothing is in the denominator, that means 1. Here 1 upon 1 minus tan theta upon 1 into tan 2 theta, that is 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. This tan A into tan B means tan 2 theta into tan theta. 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. Now, cross multiplication, 2 tan theta plus tan theta minus tan cube theta whole divided by 1 minus tan square theta. This is whole divided by again 1 into 1 minus tan square, 1 minus tan square theta minus 1 into this all, tan theta into 2 tan theta, 2 tan square theta, or 1 minus tan square. 2 tan theta plus tan theta, 3 tan theta, 3 tan theta minus, this is nothing but tan cube theta upon 1 minus tan square theta whole divided by 1 minus tan square minus 2 tan square, 1 minus 3 tan square theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. These both will get cancelled and the final answer will be 3 tan theta minus a tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta, and this is your final answer. 3 tan theta minus tan cube upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. These are the here multiple angles. Okay, these are the compound angles and these are the multiple angles. Then you have to find out sin theta. See, homework for you, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. That is sin of theta is equal to, you can write down in the form of theta by 2 plus theta by 2. Sin theta is equal to cos theta is equal to and tan theta is equal to. Again you got mu. What mu? Formula is here. Okay, then you can find out by this 2. Find out 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to what? 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to what? This is the homework for you. Again, by this way you can find out what about 1 plus cos theta is equal to and 1 minus cos theta is equal to, by using the half angle. This half angle here theta by 2. This is for homework. Now we can find out sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2 sin theta by 2. 2 times of sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Similarly, you can find out cos theta tan theta here. These are the half angle formulas. Double angle, triple angle, finished. These all are the components. Okay, then learn it. If you want by heart, then you by heart it and tell me afterwards whenever the college will be start. Okay, thank you very much.